In this video I'm going to show you how to edit a video using Windows Movie Maker. Windows Movie Maker is a free program that normally comes with Windows operating system. However, they have discontinued this from the latest operating system for some reason. But you still can go out to the Microsoft site and then download it from there. So how to open a file using Windows Movie Maker? So you don't want to open the Windows Movie Maker and go through there to open a file, because it only opens the Windows Movie Maker file. So I'm going to show you how that works. So you go here and open a project and then desktop, and then you see it's nothing. So it's first looking for a movie maker file. If you click all file, you will see a file. So say I'm going to open this, double clicking, so it says movie maker can open this file because it's not compatible. Okay, so that's what the reason is. So you close, you can still keep it open, and you go to test, right click, and then this is your video open with movie maker. Alright, so now it is opening. So don't expect it will open this fast. It will take a couple of minutes to open, because I already have opened this file, so it is in the memory, so it's loaded very quickly. Normally it takes a couple of minutes. It depends on how big your video file is. Alright, so you can do all kind of things here, rotate to whatever it is, and then what I'm going to show you is, so you're going to cut this video, because you see some unnecessary part, front, back, or whatever is in the middle. So I'm going to show you now it's how to cut in the front and at the end. So say this is your starting point, and then okay, so your starting point, you go to here edit, you say okay, set start point, and then say you can play and you can still see this. So say you want to stop it at 3 minutes. Okay, you are here, and then you set endpoint. Alright, so now this video has been trimmed, and so now what you need to save this one. So how to save this? So you go here and you go save movie. You want to save as a movie, and this is the recommended format. So you go here and say my first movie. So you can select the path, you can select test again. So it's an MP4 format. So save. It normally takes some time to save this file, so I'm going to pause this video and come back. Okay, now it has completed the process, saving the file into MP4. So okay, so open in the folder. Okay, you see my first movie, so it's already there. So I close the save changes. Okay, so you don't have to do changes, because it's already in the folder now. So you just close, no change. Alright, so now you have the file here.